how to fix Play Store auto close on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Play Store auto close on Android phone. First then just open settings and then scroll down until you find apps and then click apps again and scroll down until you find here scroll until you find this one, Google Play Store. And now just click force stop and go to storage and click clear cache and then clear data and click OK, and that's it. Then just go back and check this one, Google Play Services, and then just you need to enable it if it's disabled, and that's it. And then click storage and click clear cache. And now just go back into your phone storage and then click clean up. And now all you need to do is just need to wait, and then you need to clean your cache. And then click junk files, and here you will find your phone cache, and then just click delete and go back. And that's how to fix Play Store auto close on Android phone. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.